Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the door lock in your LG washer, you will need needle nose pliers, a 5/16 nut driver or bit, a spring removal tool, and a drill driver with a Phillips bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the washer. Pull the washer away from the wall. Unthread the 2 screws on the top panel. Slide and lift the top panel off. Unthread the 2 bolts that secure the door to the washer. Lift the door up to unhook it from the washer. Unthread the screw securing the right side of the control panel. Open the drawer and push down on the push tab and remove the detergent disassembly. Unthread the 2 screws that secure the left side of the control panel. Pry the 3 tabs, then pull back and lift up to free the control panel. Unplug the harness to the control panel. Open the drain cleanout door. Use the pliers and squeeze the tabs at the hinges to remove the door. Unclip the drain hose, then unthread the 2 Phillips screws. Pull out the case. Unthread the screw underneath the drain pump cleanout. Insert the spring tool on either end of the spring and pull to remove the ring. Detach the boot seal from the front panel. Unthread the 2 screws securing the door lock. Unthread the 6 screws on the front panel. Push the panel down to release it from the tab. Lift the front panel up and away from the washer. Unplug the door lock from the harness. To install the new door lock, install the door lock in the front panel and secure with the 2 screws. Set the panel on the 3 tabs and plug in the harness. Push the panel upright and lock it in place with the tab. Rethread the 6 screws into the panel. Tuck the boot seal into the front panel. Tuck the ring into the seal starting at the top. Insert the spring removal tool into the ring to securely seat it into the seal. Rethread the screw into the drain pump. Feed the drain hose through the case and place in the washer. Rethread the 2 Phillips screws and clip in the drain hose. Plug the wire harness back into the display board. Insert the control panel into its grooves and push forward to snap in place. Rethread the 2 screws on the left side of the control panel. Align the detergent assembly and push in until it snaps into place. Rethread the screw on the right side of the control panel. Hook the washer door onto the washer. Rethread the 2 bolts that secure the door to the washer. Set and slide the top panel onto the washer. Rethread the 2 screws onto the panel. Push the washer back into place. Plug in the power. And your washer should be ready for use.